One of the most frustrating things with Temu FREE Gift is when the feature doesn't even show up. You keep hearing people talk about it, you see screenshots everywhere, but when you open the app, nothing. No free gift section, no event, nothing at all. That's exactly what happened to me at first. I opened Temu normally, started browsing around, looked for the feature manually, and honestly, it felt like it didn't even exist. Then I realized something important. The system doesn't activate for everyone the same way, and that's why some people unlock it instantly, while others never see it. So I tested it again, but this time I changed only one thing. I didn't open Temu directly. I entered through the promotion first, and almost immediately the free gift feature appeared. Same account, same phone, completely different result. That's the part most people never understand. It's not really about searching for the feature, it's about triggering the system correctly. Because when you open Temu normally, you're just another person browsing products. But when you enter through an active promotion, the app recognizes you differently, and that's when the free gift section starts showing up. After that, everything became easier. The reward section appeared, offers started loading, and the app actually guided me through the process. Now let's keep this honest. Does unlocking it mean instant rewards? No. You still have to interact with the system, but getting the feature to appear, that part can happen very fast. And honestly, that's where most people get stuck. Not the rewards, just getting inside the system in the first place. Try entering this way and tell me, did the free gift feature finally appear for you, or still nothing?